Stay right there. Well, why don't you walk over here then?
Hey, Eli, can you say something?
No, I'm just trying to tell my dad
No, it's
something.
just, I mean,
What is it?
I can't walk over there. I can't leave him.
Hurry.
Come on, guys. Let's walk in the middle of the road. Well, you didn't want me to leave him, just do basically the same
What's he
thing.
doing?
Give ice cream to the people down there.
Not that. I think I gave you $6 total, I think.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
When does he call me?
It's taking him a long time.
It's taking the ice cream having a long time.
Yep. My tooth is here at this time. If anybody's gonna watch this, and if you do, this is 2013. I was about to say 13. A video. One of Spyro's videos, I guess, maybe. But I don't know which type of video it is. Eli, can you say a word? Hey, not a word like that, Eli. Like, how do you feel about getting ice cream?
It'll make me turn into an ice statue.
No, it won't. That won't make you turn into an ice statue. Oh, there's a bug. Wow. Wow.
You gotta stay right here.
Okay.
So stay right here.
Eli, stay right there. That means you. Seems like he's going to the other side.
No, he's coming!
Well, he is coming. Eli, he is coming.
There's ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Stay right there. Don't move.
Finally.
Stay standing back.